My friends, sometimes in life, freedom is not just a word. It is a feeling that lives deep inside the heart. And when that feeling is taken away, life loses its real color. Today, I want to talk about two kinds of freedom. One is the freedom of a leader who speaks for the truth, who stands for justice, who does not bow down in front of power, and that is the freedom of Imran Khan. The other is the freedom of an entire nation, like the dream of Palestine, where innocent people wait every day for the sun of liberty to rise. And until these freedoms become reality, I believe there is nothing to celebrate. How can you celebrate when your brother is in chains? How can you dance when your sister cries for justice? Real celebration will come only when truth wins and lies lose. Imran Khan's freedom is not just about one man. It is about the courage to speak, to stand against injustice, and to fight for the rights of the weak. His struggle tells us that freedom is not given as a gift. It is earned with sacrifice. Look at history. Every leader who spoke for the people faced prisons, trials, and betrayals. But they stood firm. And that firmness inspires millions today. We must learn that real power does not come from a big office or a fancy chair. It comes from the trust of the people and the strength of your belief. Now, let's talk about Palestine. For decades, they have been waiting for the day they can breathe freely in their own land, without fear of bombs, without the pain of losing their loved ones. The children of Palestine do not know what a peaceful life feels like. Their mothers pray every day for a future where their kids can go to school without the sound of gunfire. And I ask you, can we call ourselves truly free when our brothers and sisters live like prisoners in their own homes? Freedom is not complete when it is only for some people and not for all. This is why the heart feels heavy when we see celebrations in one place and tears in another. The world teaches us to move on, to enjoy our lives, to forget the suffering of others. But humanity tells us something different. It says, stand with the oppressed, speak for the voiceless, and never rest until justice is done. Imagine for a moment, what if it was your own family behind those bars? What if it was your father, your mother, or your child waiting for help? Would you celebrate Independence Day without them? Number, you would fight, speak, and pray until they were free. This is what it means to feel someone else's pain as your own. My friends, the struggle for freedom is not easy. It takes courage to keep walking when the road is full of stones. It takes patience to wait when the night feels endless. But history shows us that no night lasts forever. Every darkness will see the morning. The question is, will we stand together until that morning comes, or will we turn away, thinking it is not our problem? This is not about politics. It is about humanity. Whether it is Imran Khan behind bars or the people of Palestine under occupation, the pain is the same, the pain of losing your right to speak, to move, to live with dignity. We must not let this pain be ignored. We must speak about it, share it, and keep the light of hope alive. Because silence helps the oppressor, not the oppressed. One day, I believe we will see the gates of prisons open. One day, I believe the land of Palestine will be free and its children will run in the streets with laughter instead of fear. That day, the celebrations will be real. That day, we will all have the right to say we are free. Until then, let our voices be strong, our prayers be loud, and our hearts be united. Freedom is a gift worth fighting for. And every step we take towards justice, no matter how small, is a step towards a better tomorrow. So do not lose hope. Do not stop speaking. And do not forget those who are still waiting for their day of freedom. Because the true celebration will only begin when no one is left behind.